Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to talk about a BOME, Book of Meme, Targets, Updates with my customer Crusade. Let's dive in. Before I start analyzing the BOME, I want to show you the chill guy so we understand the logic of BOME and the dog we've had. So yesterday I shared the video. It's not random, and the roar on chill guy I share with you is open to the test of yearly open. You know, sooner or later, guys, a lot of tokens, believe it or not, but will test the yearly open now or after the summer. It's hard to say about the timing. Nobody knows the timing, but usually the yearly open, the monthly open, the weekly open, it's some K levels, you know, and it's like a trigger. It can be the bullish one or bearish one. And I fixed the profit on the chill guy, you know, too early. Yes, too early. But in the moment, I couldn't know, are we go higher or a lower one? Right, because anyway, we can't move unstoppable only up. We can move with the corrections, but if you accumulate it exactly at the bottom, now you can be in the profit like this one, 547%. So that's why it was a logically for me to close spot position for the chill guy. So the yearly open, it's a trigger. The same story will be for the BOME, where the yearly open now for the BOME is here. It's the range between the 78 and 86 level FIB. Yearly open is 0.2064. So this one. With this move or with this move, you know, like impulse, sideways impulse, it's hard to say, you know, because we can't know in a moment. So this is like a trigger, and now the monthly opens like a trigger. Monthly open the May. Everybody talk about a bearish May, sell in May and go away even, you know, all of this stuff. But I don't think so. This time the sell in May and go away will play it out. And I think, yes, this time it's going to be like DeFi summer. So maybe, it's hard to say. To push the price higher on all memes, you know, we need to see the performance of Sol and Ethereum. It's logical. And so once again, the easiest way to pump and grab all liquidity, after that fix it and reinflow into Sol and Ethereum, it's a pump meme tokens, meme sector. So we formed the deviation. If this was a last stage, this is a deviation at the bottom on the max. So this is a listen on the max since March 2024. This one. We formed the deviation, and imagine here from the zero level to this one to the top, it was like 2,500% gains. So that people who hop in here at 2 cents, at 1 cent, for example, they down not like 80%, they down 1,000% gains, because to recover back to the break even, the token should pump 1,000% gains. So that's a big difference, guys. That's why with correction, without correction, guys, it's hard to say. Now, of course, it's unstoppable. Like, take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row, almost green. So basically sick. And yes, we can see correction to the even the monthly open, and it can be still a local structure, because this was a break of structure. This one, last impulse, March 24, last impulse. This is a bounce, correction, and here's a break of structure. Highly recommend you go and check the free educational video about a break of structure. If and when, for example, we will drop even like tests of the break of structure, or even test the monthly open, you know, 0.201569, we will be still in uptrend structure, and the road will be open to the yearly open. So that's the case, guys. This is how the structure works. Weekly time frame, of course, this is still downtrend. Still downtrend, because to break the structure, we need to sweep this high, like 1 cent 24. So that's it, guys. And of course, if we go back to the monthly time frame, the first trouble area for Book of Meme is going to be this fulfill monthly gap, 0.2029, and the next one. Next one is going to be here. This one. It's the next one, monthly monthly gap. So 50% it can be like 0.2044. So for example, if you're buying at 0.2022 or 0.202 at 0.204, you can withdraw initial deposit. It will be not a mistake. So guys, just in case, if you think about oh, it's not a big deal to pump to the yearly open, guys, from the bottom is going to be 600% gains. It's a big deal. And it can be this summer move, for example, April, May, June, July, August, pull back here, for example, and go into 0.5 and new new all-time high. Basically this zone is possible. I believe, yes, it's possible if we will see some hype around the Sol, around the meme sector again. You know, yes, Book of Meme can hit the 27 block of this FIP, like 3 cents 51, 3 cents 77. So this is more than real. And to hit that target from the bottom is going to be 4,000% gains. It's incredible result. It's just madness. It can be the top of the top for this token. So yes, guys, just build the realistic price targets for each, even the meme token, right? And wait the entry and exit. So if we talk about a spot, of course, if we talk about a futures, it can be just intraday or swing trades. Take a look, guys, with my customer Kasab, what's going on now with this token. Here, max. This was accumulation, and we formed a huge divergence. So here, June 24, the price was once 0.2063, and at this low, we formed the 0.3095. Huge divergence, almost the yearly divergence, over the half year, definitely. We lay down at the bottom on direction. Capitulation on BOME is since February 10. So it's capitulation zone. It's time where we need to accumulate, take a risk or not. So that's the point of the market move. Now it's a disbelief, still disbelief. Take a look at the trade on indicator. It's a lot of signals to buy. Even the last one was here at the test of the zero level in March, 0.201 and 15, and this one confirmation. And the last indicator is 2-1. Take profit, money power. Guys, take a look. The money power here was accumulation from the whales. Here's a MACD bullish divergence, RSI bullish divergence. So the reward is really can be open to the yearly test. And after that, we can see the distribution of this token. Weekly time frame, unfortunately, no data on take profit indicator. Daily one, we got a data for take profit. I guess we trade way over exit line now, and we can see. Come on. Yes, we trade way over exit line. Not too much way over, but yes, it's at least here was a buy line. This is an exit line. It's not a time to hop in, but of course up to your own risk, right? We need to accumulate when the token trade on the or at the buy line. So here was a buy line. We trade at the take profit. So here, this was a logical entry to exit line. It's 100%. Now we pump it even 177%. To buy now, it's only up to you. Anyway, believe it or not, but sooner or later we're gonna test the yearly open. But be ready for potential correction, for example, like 37%. So guys, all targets I explained to you. If you like to trade with my customer Kasab, what showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.